Good morning, class. Today, we will have a brief discussion about the geographic coordinates of latitude and longitude. The simplest way to specify any location. The earth is to provide its coordinates. The geographic coordinate system is made up of lines of latitude and longitude. A line of latitude is an arc of a circle parallel to the equator, whose plane is perpendicular to the axis of rotation.
To determine the value of a line of latitude, we need to connect one of its points with the center of the Earth and measure the angle this line forms with the plane of the equator. For example, in the case of the Tropic of Cancer, this angle is 23.50 degrees. Latitude is called the equator. It divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres away from the equator. Latitude increases to 90 at the poles. When specifying the latitude coordinates of a point, we need to indicate whether the value of the degrees refers to lines of latitude north or south. Important lines of latitude are the Arctic and the Antarctic circles that run at 66.5 latitude. The Tropic of Cancer lies at 23.5 north of the equator. The major lines of latitude mark the boundary of climatic zones.
A line of longitude is a curve connecting the north and the south poles on the shortest path. The plane defined by the lines of longitude coincides with the Earth's axis of rotation. 0 degrees longitude is called the prime meridian. Away from here, longitude increases and both hemispheres to 180. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich in the suburbs of London. To obtain the longitude coordinate values of an arbitrarily chosen point, we need to identify the point marked by the prime meridian on the equator. We then need to see where the line of longitude that our selected point belongs to crosses the equator. Then, we need to connect the 2 points obtained to the center of the Earth and measure the angle formed by the 2 segments on the opposite side of the prime meridian. At 180 longitude lies the international data line. When specifying the longitude coordinates of a point, we need to indicate whether the value of the degree refers to lines of longitude east or west.